This is our lead magnet, a PDF with the AI tools I use the most. We use it to get new subscribers to our newsletter. I don't know, maybe a little bit boring. What do you think? And this is how it looks after a few minutes in Flipsnack, a tool that automatically turns PDFs into flipbooks. It is the same content, but way more fun to interact with, and I am really curious to see how this will impact our conversions. Stick around and I'll show you the exact process that I used to turn this dull PDF into a top performing lead magnet. Flipsnack is an online tool that turns PDFs into interactive flipbooks, with real page turns, embedded videos, clickable links, and more. You can even add a form to collect leads. If you ask me, a smart way to grow your business. You can use these flipbooks anywhere you'd send a PDF, lead magnets, catalogs, portfolios, but with one added bonus, as you can check the engagement, because Flipsnack will track how users interact with your flipbook. Today, it's a hands-on Flipsnack tutorial. I'll walk you through the whole thing, click by click, using a real PDF from our own business. We'll turn the Tooltester AI Toolkit, currently a plain PDF lead magnet, into a fully interactive flipbook. Thanks Flipsnack for sponsoring this video. Let's get started with Flipsnack. The first thing you'll need to do is to register. As I said, you can register for free. There's a link in the description in case you want to follow along. I'm just going to use my Google account, register with it, and boom, I'm inside Flipsnack. As you can see here, I have several projects, but let's start one from scratch. We head over Create, and then we have several options. We have a bookshelf, we have a product catalog, we could create one from scratch, and we can upload a file. I will actually upload a PDF, but let me show you how it would also work if you start from scratch. They are all beautifully designed, and you could pick one that suits your needs. For example, you could create an annual report. You can preview the template here, and then clicking this button, you can just customize it to your needs. As you can see, all the fields are editable, and even the images. But since we have this PDF that our designers created, we can just reuse it. Back in Flipsnack, we upload a file. It's in my computer, so I just need now to select the PDF. It's this one, there you go. We upload it. And in a couple of minutes, Flipsnack converted this into a flipbook. Let's check it out. As you can see, it looks pretty alright already, and I would only do a couple of changes. But before we edit anything, let me please show you how to convert this into a lead generation campaign. If we head over add-ons, we can add a form. We enable the form, and now we just have a form we can collect emails with. But you might need other fields, like, I don't know, you might want the name of the user, and perhaps the last name, and also maybe their phone number. Of course, you can customize the form and change the title, and even add a checkbox for the privacy policy. If you're using HubSpot and Salesforce, you could also connect this lead magnet you've just created with your own account. You could enable it from here, and then you would just connect the account. That, of course, is a great way to sync data back and forth. Now let's tweak a little bit how our flipbook looks. So we go into branding. I can just change the accent color very easily. I can add my own logo. I just need to drag it in here. Finally, if I want to reuse the look and feel, I can just save it here. I just want to quickly mention that you can see how the flipbook will look on mobile screens. If we head over the Appearance tab, we can customize a lot how our flipbook will look. One cool thing is that I can add interactivity. For example, I have this video here. If I click it, a YouTube link will open. And that's okay, but not ideal. What I can do is embed the video into my flipbook. I would just click on Display button, draw the area of the video, and add the YouTube URL. Now you can see the YouTube video has been embedded, and users can check the video directly in my flipbook without having to leave it. Our designer already did a pretty good job at identifying every link, so we don't need them highlighted, so I'm just gonna disable this one. We could give it a sound effect every time the user passes the page. Then you can set up a few options to decide how the user will see the flipbook. Finally, you also can decide on how the page transition is set up. I like the best the flip option. Another little bonus is that you could add Google Analytics to your flipbook. You just have to enable it and add your Google Analytics tracking code. There are a few more add-ons, but I think these are the basic ones. Once you are happy with your flipbook, you just have to click on continue, give it a title, and then decide how to publish it. This option will allow search engines to find your flipbook. In our case, we don't want that because this is a lead magnet and we want to protect it behind a lead form. So we're just gonna say unlisted, which means users will only find this flipbook if we send them the link. Finally, if you're not ready to publish the flipbook, you could just set it up as private and then decide who gets to see it. Let's go ahead and publish it unlisted. And what I really like is that I can access the analytics for the flipbook. I get into a dashboard where I get things like how many views it has, how many impressions, the average time each user has spent on the flipbook, and even clicks. As you can imagine, this is really valuable information for me to know what is it working and not from my lead magnets. And it's pretty cool that they have an AI inside the system. As you can see, it's a pretty detailed report. Finally, in the Analytics tab, I can also see where the users came from and what device users use to check your flipbook. Now let me show you what integrations Flipsnack comes with. Flipsnack comes with direct integration with HubSpot, Salesforce, Google Drive, InDesign, Shopify, and Slack, among others. If the platforms you use are in here, you most likely will be able to connect to them via Zapier. However, bear in mind that Zapier is only available with the business plan. Quick word on pricing, because I get that question all the time. You can start completely free. By the way, I left a link in the description so you can try Flipsnack for free. With a free plan, you get 3 flipbooks, plenty to test if Flipsnack will work for your audience, which is honestly how I would start. Let's check the pay plans. As you can see, they offer a big discount if you pay yearly. The professional plan comes out $38 a month. You get up to 50 flipbooks and more interactivity options. This plan includes advanced features like YouTube and Vimeo integration, allows you to add lead forms, password protection, trackable links, and much more. For power users, the business plan starts at $85 a month. Comes up with 100 flipbooks, advanced branding options, you can use custom domain, and much more. Also, it has a Zapier integration, so you can sync Flipsnack with thousands of third-party apps. And if you're a team, agency, publisher that needs multiple seats, then you should check out the team plan. This one will allow you to have up to 5 users and 1,000 flipbooks. So that's it. As you saw, the content of the lead magnet didn't change much, but well, the experience is totally different. I am honestly very curious now to see how this impacts our conversions. And now a real question for you. What's one lead magnet you'd flip with Flipsnack? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more videos like these, subscribe to the channel. And if you're feeling extra generous today, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.